Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We're at the Autobahn. We're about to prank our friend, just for the hell of it, our buddy Sir Yanko. He's getting a gentleman's sausage for his tires.
Gentleman's sausage.
Put it, slide it right on in there.
Oh yeah, oh there it is.
Sorry Sir Yanko, but boy, yeah. I got you. We got it. No, we got here all late. We had a bunch of stuff. Yes, this thing is bright. Yeah.
This is bright. But it looks amazing. How good is it? You love it? Yeah. It looks awesome. All right, man.
All right.
We always catch him at the very end.
Yep.
This is what? 3 years now trying to ride with him, huh?
Yeah. Now this is nice here. I want to see this started up. That's the race car. Last year I came out, I was in a Lotus, at least.
Okay. A little bit different.
Oh yeah. It was 50-degree weather and we had the roof down.
Ooh, that's perfect.
Yep, wristband check. Hello. Sexy GTR.
I don't see enough of these things.
Nothing like all-wheel drive sideways.
Yep. Oh my god, that was just nuts. I do apologize ahead of time. I left some white stuff in your seat.
That happens. You touch that. It's nasty.
What's wrong with the helmet?
I think you had it on your wrong head.
Oh yeah. I just all up in it. All right, Dodge Viper GTS with the custom PPF on it. Dude, this is gonna be so fun going on the track with it.
Yep. You got to ride in the GTR today. I'm gonna get to ride in the Viper GTS. I think it's pretty even, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You had a blast. I'm about to have a blast. Say a prayer for me. No, I got rear-wheel drive. He had all-wheel drive, so.
And no traction control you don't have. So that's gonna be pretty fun.
I love you, Zoe.
Yep. All right, today's episode of Will He Fit?
Yep, today's episode of Will He Fit?
Is he gonna fit?
I've fit in many of supercars and hypercars, so I have fit in a Murcielago. I fit in a. I fit.
Shoehorn. Now don't forget, he's me shifting gears, so he might elbow the freak out of you.
Say that because the Lotus will be wet.
But technically, you're not in the car until you close the door.
Not a lot of headroom. You gotta shut the door. I can't reach it. Didn't even shut it.
Fat guy in a little car.
Just jealous.
Yep. All right, Eric's out there on the track. Let's go get a shot of him going around. This track is fun. When I went out on the GTR, the guy actually got a sideways. All-wheel drive, he got a sideways. All right, guys, here comes Eric. There goes Eric. Yeah, with that Viper, it's no traction control, stick shift, rear-wheel drive. I'm gonna pray for him. He's going around those corners pretty quick.
Surieko! Look at that guy.
Yeah! Tuck and roll, Eric, tuck and roll.
I told
Tuck
him.
and roll.
Wasn't able to breathe till we stopped. Holy moly.
Why?
Because that was advanced. I need a drink.
You need a drink. Move it. you don't hold it down, it goes faster. What's up, Daddy?
Dude, that Viper, it was tight like a toiger in there. That was good, but it was fun.
Real snug?
Yeah, oh yeah.
He needed a
Have
shoehorn.
any poopy moments?
No.
No?
That thing gripped way more than I thought it would.
Alright, then that guy knows how to fucking drive.
Yes, he does.
All right.
It was nasty.
Yeah.
Good time.
Damn. Look at that. Ah.
All right.
Ah.
Oh.
They're floating.
Oh.
You broke it.
Another. I know. Another successful day at the track.
Yes.
Turn off.
We always gotta love track day. But until next time, stay humble. And we'll see you guys next week. Say bye.
Remember, like, subscribe, comment.